How to delete a YouTube link from TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can delete a YouTube link from TikTok. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the TikTok application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to the bottom right corner. There is a profile icon, tap on it. That's gonna take you to your profile page. As you can see, there is a YouTube link in my profile. So if you want to remove that YouTube link, tap on the edit profile button on your profile page. Then tap on links. There is a YouTube link, tap on it. Here it says Unlink YouTube. Your YouTube link will be removed from your profile, so tap on confirm. And with that, you have deleted a YouTube link from your TikTok profile. If you go back and refresh your page, you will not find your YouTube link. So that's the way to delete a YouTube link from TikTok. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. Consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.